Hey dog groomers, Tyler and Smokey here out of Colorado. Going to show you stuff about the canine dryer, just basic maintenance. Here we go. Seals, your dryer has 4 seals in it, 2 cap seals. You want to make sure they're nice and spongy. See, you can see how it's nice and spongy. These are brand new seals. They just got replaced, they're gluing in there. The other 2 seals are inside the housing around the motor. So just stick something in there like a screwdriver and just make sure they're spongy and not crackly. If they're dry rotted, where you want to replace a seal, so no loss of air, no loss of power. If the seals are bad, the air will come out the side, not coming out your hose. Next, brushes. These are brand new brushes for this type of motor. You want to replace these or check these every 6 to 8 months. They want to be long, so you just want to pop it out and see how long it is. There's this little tab in there. Make sure that gets back in there. This is a bad motor. See that armature? It's all chewed up compared to the new one. It's a brand new motor right there. Beautiful looking armature. And the armature is this spinny thing. That's what your brushes connect to. That's what makes the electrical connection. That's why your brushes wear down. When yours start to look like this, it chews down the brushes more. You lose a lot of power. These canine dryers have filters. You want to clean this every day. Clean out the fur and spray it off. Make sure it's looking like this. I just cleaned this one. It was extremely dirty and I just rinsed it off in the sink and used a dryer with it face down so I didn't blow holes through this. That's very thin material. Don't blow holes. I placed it down and blew out all the rest of the stuff. When your dryer is getting worked on like this, I do highly recommend taking off your hose and soaking that in a bathtub or whatnot to clean that out. Really nice. And then lastly, this is a nice little, if your dryer has a plug, I spent 10 minutes blowing this plug out of fur. So it's always a good idea to keep these in there. That was a really good idea from this owner. And that way it doesn't get stuck with fur, less of a fire hazard or whatnot. But that's the dryers. Just basic maintenance. If you have any questions, let me know. I can make videos on how to change brushes, all that. Make sure your, other thing I forgot, just make sure the switches are nice. They don't have any wiggle in them, you know. They click on and off. Perfect. All right. Thank you. Have a good day.